currently at this wonderful and beautiful campsite in Norway, which you will see in a future video. The van is a mess. Did some laundry and there's trash. Welcome to the channel. My name is Monica. This van's name is Hobo. I'm from Switzerland originally. I moved into this van and I started to travel. This channel shows my daily struggles, my travels, but also some of my workouts because I'm a former bodybuilding Swiss champ 2023. My background is bodybuilding and martial arts. I'm currently also on a diet while I'm traveling in this camper van. Not because I want to lose weight. I used to do these diets or these cuts, you call them, before a competition. I want to find out what it takes to get some muscle definition while I'm on the road, which will be not that easy. Not every one of you loves bodybuilding. Some of you find it's a mix. Traveling, daily life, workouts, dieting, trying to solve problems once in a while. Please like, comment, don't yell at me too much. I'm just human. This kind of life is a little bit lonely sometimes, and it is fun to share my adventures on this channel. Yeah, I'm happy if you like it. issues with my diesel heater again. Yesterday already it turned off and it showed a arrow showing 29. It's turned off right now because it turned itself off. It could be that the power supply is not okay. It could be air in the fuel line. My personal thought about the problem is that there is condensation water. Just let the flame die. I don't know how to explain in English, but some of you may know the problem. I have to admit I did not do a hole for the condensation water as I installed the heater, but now it is raining really hard and I'm not gonna crawl underneath the car and get all wet and cold. I don't know if I should try again or if it would make it even worse. It is 16 degrees Celsius now in here. Well, van life. There's always something going wrong. So I started it again. Ah, now I hear the pump. It should be about 90 pumps per minute. I should hear the flame production. I didn't hear it this time. Maybe I didn't hear it because the rain is too loud. I don't trust it. It sounds not very stable. But I definitely need to try again to make that hole for the condensation water. The heater is running right now, but I definitely need to do something about the problem. First, breakfast, and then get ready and leave this place. Hopefully somewhere where the internet service is better, and hopefully the weather will get better. Not as wet as it is now, so I can crawl underneath the van. Yeah, that's the situation. Sounds like it's gonna turn off in a few minutes. The good thing is cooking heats as well, so I should be okay until I leave here. It just turned off. I'm waiting for the arrow while I'm preparing my breakfast. Come on, what are you gonna do now? Gonna try to restart and then show me the arrow? Probably. It's trying to restart. I can hear the pump. It starts blowing again. But I could not hear the initial of the flame. Oh, now I can hear it. It's gonna turn off again. It's not as hot as it should be. Actually, my breakfast is ready. It's still not blowing really hot air. If it would heat, I could not touch it. It would be hot. There, turning off. Come on, show me the arrow. It might try to start a third time and then game over. I mean, it's end of June. Should be summer now, but not in Norway. So, wrong place for this, girl. There comes the sound of the pump again. Place your bets. Nah, blowing like crazy now. Probably gonna turn off. And then I will turn it off for sure. There goes the arrow. "29" means it cannot produce the flame. I will clear the arrow message, and that's it for today. At least we got up to 21 degrees, which is not bad, but it will cool down pretty fast, I think. Nonetheless, I'm gonna eat my breakfast now. I stopped here and I'm cooking. I'm warming up broccoli, sweet potatoes, and salmon. I'm wearing my hoodie plus my wool jacket. It's 16. I'm probably cold because I'm tired. I drove 7 hours today. 4 hours in the morning, and then I had 1 hour lunch break and 3 more hours. So I'm I'm done. So I'm trying to get some heat in here while I'm cooking. It's not gonna be a cozy night. A meal is prep, and one is for now. Good morning. I'm trying to fix the heater. It's in test run right now. I'm not gonna celebrate. We don't know yet if it's working. So I really hope this helps. If not, I have to try some other options.